New to the NOV BOP line, the T3 Model 6012 Ram BOP is a highly robust and versatile design that represents a new development in shearing. The system is capable of operating in a wide range of service conditions. The Model 6012 features a Xylon coating on the through-bore ram cavities and all well-bore wetted surfaces, as well as chrome-plated surfaces to prevent corrosion. A Colemanoi coating on exposed operating piston rods, connecting rod and tail rod work to reduce corrosion and erosion. Easily interchangeable bonnets increase versatility for drilling applications. Adapting the 6012 Ram BOP with the Shear All Ram, SAR Ram, and shearing system provides enhanced shearing capabilities. Self-centering shears center the pipe in the wellbore. Powerful shearing capability cuts through all standard pipe sizes. Hydraulic actuated opening and closing simplifies the ram change action. The rams are all easily replaceable. The NOV T3 Shear All Ram System, the complete solution for your pressure control requirements.